So how do you start a workers' compensation case, and what happens right after you turn in that claim form? Well, to start with, you have to fill out a DWC-1 claim form. I'll put a link for it down below in the comment section. If you had a traumatic injury, fell off of a ladder, got knocked unconscious, taken to the hospital by ambulance, your employer already has knowledge of the workers' compensation claim. You can fill it out a little bit later. But for more routine injuries, you injure your knee, you injure your back picking up a box, you fill out a claim form. You can either go to your employer and ask for a copy of the claim form, or you can download one online and fill that out. You give a copy of that claim form to your employer, and you keep a copy for your records. You turn in that claim form. That's all it takes. It is a claim for workers' compensation benefits. It starts the workers' comp process with the employer and the insurance company. Your employer will give that to the insurance company. Your employer should send you to a doctor within 1 day of turning in that claim form, and all of this will get the process going. So what happens next? Well, first, the insurance company is going to send you a bunch of paperwork, medical history form, release forms. They'll want to know about prior disability awards. They'll want to know who your personal doctor is. They'll want information on how you got hurt, who may have seen it, what part of your body was injured, etc., etc. But the primary focus then is that the adjuster has 3 options with what to do with your workers' comp claim form. And depending on which way the adjuster goes, depends on what you do next. So if you fell off of a ladder, everybody saw you fall off of the ladder, there's no question you were injured at work, the adjuster likely will accept liability. So that would be his or her first option. They can accept liability when that claim form comes in. If this happens, life is good. Benefits will be provided, temporary disability will be paid, medical treatment will be paid. There will still be disputes maybe over, guaranteed, over treatment authorization issues, things like that. But the claim is accepted, so benefits will be provided. So claim accepted is the first option. The second option for the adjuster would be an outright denial. So let's say you come into work in the morning, you're limping when you come into work, and then 5 minutes after you start work, you turn in a claim form to your boss and say, "Hey boss, I just fell down over here, and now I injured my knee, and now I'm limping." And your boss says, "But you were limping when you came in this morning. I don't think you got hurt at work." First, if you're lying about this, then it's a felony to make any knowingly false or fraudulent statements. But if you're really telling the truth and you did fall down and injure your knee, but you were already limping, the adjuster may right out of the gate deny your claim, not paying benefits, not going to do it. If that happens, now your claim is denied. You're going to have to fight that denial, whether it be through your own personal records, whether it be through witness testimony, whether it be through getting a QME to try to rebut that. You're going to have to get that denial overturned, because once the claim is denied, no benefits will be paid at all. So that would be the second option, a complete denial of the claim. And that leads to the third option. The adjuster says, "I'm not really sure if you got hurt at work or not." If that happens, that's usually what happens with anything where it's not absolutely clear. If you file a cumulative trauma claim, almost always going to be put on delay. So you turn in the claim form, that goes to the adjuster, and the adjuster says, "I don't know, I'll put the claim on delay. I've got 90 days to consider my options, to do discovery, to get records from your personal doctor, to talk to the employer, to talk to your coworkers, find out what's going on, talk to you, get a statement from you, find out what you're saying about how the injury occurred." And within that 90-day period, the adjuster will then either accept or deny liability. So it basically buys time for the adjuster, the insurance company, to do a little investigating. If they don't accept it within 90 days, the claim is accepted. It's by operation of law. So those are the 3 options. You get hurt at work, you turn in a claim form, the adjuster will have 3 options. They can either accept liability, completely deny liability, or place the claim on delay. Give them 90 days to investigate. This is the very start of the process. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button down below and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other upcoming videos.